my loves, welcome back to my channel. From the title of this vlog, you guys can see that it is my birthday vlog. But birthday girl is looking like a hot mess, and apparently I didn't want to do anything for my birthday, but I just changed my mind last minute. So I'm currently like going to get my nails and my feet done, and I'll also see if they'll fit me to get like a pedicure, and then after that I'll be getting my dress fitted because I made a dress last minute and I pray that the dress comes out very good. So yeah, I'm just going to take you guys along with me to my appointment. So if it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Amira, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and all of that good stuff. So let me take you guys to my appointment.
We go back to the good times, maybe if we try, make it right. We can get back to the good times. Walking back to the silence, and left to my house again. When you broke me first, I floated, hands on my brains so bad. I have no choice, so to make me change everything I had, I have to lose. My last wish to sleep for a second before you leave me only alone.
So from this clip you guys can see that I went to fit my dress, but the dress was not given. I'm so mad at this point, in fact, but you know what, I have a dinner to attend, so we move. Hey guys, as you guys can see from the last clip, I'm so mad. I'm super mad because that dress, I know how much I paid for that dress, and it's like everything just got fucked like that minute. So there's nothing I can do now. I just have to like shop for a new dress, and I'm in a new boutique. I just opened. I'll be the boutique order. I'm annoyed. I'm just blabbing. But I'm here to shop, and I pray I find something nice, something that I can wear. And I just did my hair. I just put this part up so that it can be, you know, can have colors when I take them down. So I'm going to test this dress and I'll show you guys. We'll pick together, okay? It's like my size, but I'm not feeling it, right? So I'm going to test this one, and I hope. Yeah, so you guys, I am currently at the third shop. At this point, I am so stressed, tired. I'm even surprised that I have the strength of vlog. I have the... God. I pray I find something to wear because I'm very tired, as you guys can see. Like, Nigerian tailors are the worst. Because my dinner is supposed to start now. I've not even done makeup, and I'm still looking for a dress. Can you believe that? Hi guys, so my makeup artist is here. Boss lady. You guys, what am I saying? Yeah, so we're looking at TikTok to do. Let me I'm listening. Okay, fine, die. Okay, wait. Keep my wife's name. Out your fucking. You fucking on our punch. Okay. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go.
Can we go back to the good times? Maybe if we try, make it right. We can get back to the good times. Walking back to the silence, and left to my house again. When you broke me first, I floated. Hands on my brain so bad. I have no choice so to make me change. Everything I had, I have to lose. My last wish to stay for a second before you leave me on the airport.
Guys. But the girl is ready. Purr.
You need to touch your hair.
Okay, maybe something like yes.
That's okay, baby.
If to die another day for you, baby. Put my captain over weight for you, baby. The only time that you think that you hate me is when I take the last slice of cake.
Hey guys, so I'm currently on my way to the dinner. You guys, my dinner was for 5, but look at the time, 9 o'clock, and my guests are already waiting. So I'm hurrying to go to the dinner, and I pray I make it in time. So this is my look. I did like an all pink look. My nails, my dress, my purse, and my shoes. No, my nails. Sorry guys. So yeah, like I said, if you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, because I see this face. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys when we get to the dinner.
Can we try, make it right? Can we go back to the good times? Maybe if you try, make it right. We can get back to the good times. I had to show my confidence, but you go too far into my words. I'm not afraid. Are you ready? Stronger than before. If you won't change, then I will give you more. Then I will give you more. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, Can we try, make it right?
You guys, it's picture time.
Pay no mind, no. You don't give me time. You just waste my time. I don't pay no mind, no. You don't give me time. You just waste my time. I don't pay. Pay no mind, no.
Hey guys, so this is me a couple days after my birthday, and I'm very sorry that the vlog was so short. You guys, first of all, you guys saw how chaotic this birthday vlog is. Abby was getting a dress was so hard. Like I had to go to like 5 shops. I'll show you guys 3, but I actually went to like 5 shops to get a dress, and then I finally got it at the 5th shop. So I was already tired. My birthday dinner was set for 5. I ended up getting there like 9:10. So yeah, I'm sorry that the vlog was a bit short because I was enjoying my time with my friends. I didn't want to like put camera on anybody's face after I kept them waiting for a long time. So yeah, I just decided to show you guys some gifts that I got. And yeah, let's start with my glasses. I was supposed to vlog this, but I ended up not vlogging it because I think I was tired or I was annoyed that day. So yeah, I got myself my prescribed glasses. You guys, I've been putting this back for months because first of all, these glasses were expensive. They were expensive. So I just decided that, you know what, I can't see and I would love and I would like to see. So I got myself the glasses. Quite pricey, but definitely worth it because this is not even a want. Like this is a need. I really didn't need these glasses. And yeah, so a friend of mine got me this. I just got this package like 2 days ago, and I was just like, okay, you know what, let me show you guys what I got for my birthday. I really do not know what is in here. It says, I think it's a tripod. It has to be a tripod. This is definitely a tripod. And oh my god, I'm so excited. Does it come with a remote? Yeah, so this is a tripod. Oh, that's so cute. I think I need to even use this now. Wait. Yeah, I got another gift. This one is in Paris. I already peeped this one. I'm not gonna lie. I already went to look at this one, but this is a cute Zara purse that I got from my friend. Thank you, babes. I don't have any white purse, so that's cute. I'm happy. I'm excited. So yeah, you guys, this is the end of my birthday vlog. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Please, if you did, make sure you like, comment and subscribe.